Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon TV which is buffering or freezing. So here's a fix for your Wi-Fi router reset signal as well as the box fix. Fix 1. Restart the TV box. Unplug the Verizon TV box, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in and let it restart. Fix 2. Restart your router. Unplug the router, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in and wait for the internet to reconnect. Fix 3. Check the cables. Make sure the HDMI and power cables are connected securely. Try a different HDMI cable if needed. Fix 4. Check your internet. If you are streaming, make sure your internet connection is stable. If possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Fix 5. Update the TV box. Go to settings and check for any available software updates. Install updates if prompted. Fix 6. Check for service outages. See if there's a Verizon outage in your area. Wait until the service is restored if there is an outage. Fix 7. Factory reset. This is the last option which you could do. Reset the TV box only if other steps don't work. Keep in mind that this may erase your settings as well. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.